Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about protecting your paint, and most importantly, which paint protection option is right for you and your particular vehicle. I have in front of me all of our surface protection options, and I know there are a lot. However, there are specific categories and benefits to each of these types of waxes and applications that can make it easier for you to protect your paint in the amount of time that you have. They are generally categorized into about 5 different categories: natural carnauba waxes, synthetic waxes, all-in-one waxes, sprayable waxes, and then finally ceramics. Now each of those are very broad categories, but they all have specific benefits that I can talk to you about now. Our first category of protectants is natural or carnauba waxes. Carnauba is an ingredient that is derived from the leaves of palm trees that are native to only northeastern Brazil. It creates a natural water repellency and a brilliant luster that enhances color, depth, and clarity of your paint finish. Due to its natural composition, it won't last as long as some man-made polymers. However, it will give your paint a beautiful pop. It should need to be applied between 3 and 4 times a year, depending on how often you drive your car. But for a show queen, it is an ideal protectant to enhance your finish and give it a natural protection. Our 3 products are Best of Show Liquid Wax, Best of Show Paste Wax, and Premium Carnauba Paste Wax. The difference between liquid and paste is marginal outside of application. Pastes generally have to be applied by hand, whereas liquid wax has the flexibility to be applied by machine or by hand. Either way, you've got a great natural carnauba protection and a high quality finish with any of these products. Our next category of protectants is synthetics. Synthetics feature man-made materials that are meant to protect the surface of your car and replicate the effect of a natural carnauba product. They won't necessarily give you the same finish as a carnauba product, but they will give you great durability, which is important for a car that may be daily driven or exposed to harsher elements. Our product, Liquid Gloss Poly Wax, when properly applied and allowed to cure for 12 to 24 hours, can last up to a year. However, it must typically be applied between 1 and 2 times per year. Synthetics are a great option, but they won't give you quite the same brilliance as a natural carnauba product will. Our next protectant category is all-in-one waxes. Now, all-in-one waxes contain a mild abrasive paired with a protectant step. The benefit of this is that you can get some slight correction capability while leaving behind protection on your paint surface. That'll help clean up swirl marks, improve the overall look of your paint, and leave protection behind in one convenient step. These products can typically be applied by machine or by hand. However, their correction capability is generally accentuated when used with a DA random orbital. Our 3 all-in-one products are Liquid Wax 3-in-1, One-Step Sealant, and Finishing Sealant. They vary in terms of their composition based upon the protective step that is included as part of its formulation. Liquid Wax 3-in-1 features a carnauba protectant step, One-Step Sealant, a synthetic polymer base, and finally Finishing Sealant is actually a synthetic blend featuring Montan wax and polymer protection with a diminishing abrasive. Now, depending upon whether it's a synthetic or natural protective step, will guide your durability. However, these products don't need to be used in excess and can generally be applied between 1 and 3 times per year. Our next category of protectants is sprayable waxes. These products are super easy to use, boost your paint, and give you a little bit of protection that's not quite as durable as a traditional paste, liquid, or synthetic wax application. However, their ease of use makes up for their lack of durability. Our 3 products are Spray-on Wax, Foaming Polygloss, and Best of Show Spray Wax. Spray-on wax is primarily used as a drying aid and meant to supplement a natural carnauba base coat. You simply mist it on to a still wet car after you've washed it and dry, and add a little bit of carnauba wax protection behind to bolster that base coat. Foaming Polygloss is part of our Boss foaming system and can be delivered via foam cannon or any of our other foaming tools. You simply foam it on the car, allow it to dwell for 1 to 3 minutes, and rinse away to reveal added polymer protection and a great pop finish as you dry. This can stand alone and be used as a protection step as part of a touchless or foaming process. It is super easy to apply. However, will need to be applied either every time you wash your car or as soon as you note the diminished effects of its protection. The last product in this category is Best of Show Spray Wax. This is meant to replace a traditional wax or sealant application, and its ease of use is its strongest benefit. You would put this on a clean, dry car and go around the car applying it and allowing it to set up and cure. It is super easy to use. All of these products, really that's their strongest benefit, is ease of application. You won't get extreme durability from them, but you'll be able to supplement base coats and keep your car protected in as little time as possible. Our last category of protectants is ceramics. Now, ceramic is an incredibly broad term that has come into the purview of enthusiasts in recent years. It is based upon legitimate chemistry and the inclusion of an ingredient known as silicon dioxide, which is a liquid derivative of silica. This particular ingredient can be delivered in many different forms. Some of those forms need to be applied by a professional and are a little finicky. The biggest benefit of ceramics is its extreme durability, it's extremely hydrophobic, and it has self-cleaning capabilities that help keep your car cleaner longer. Our ceramic product, Ceramic 3-in-1 Wax, is actually a unique blend of SiO2, bond-forming polymers, and carnauba wax. It is about as easy to apply as a sprayable wax. However, it gives you supreme durability, and this product should only need to be applied between 1 and 2 times a year. Anybody can use this product and get great results. So as you can see, you have plenty of options. However, the most important thing to do with regards to choosing your protection is understanding what your goals are, how you use your car, and how much time you have. If you're looking for maximum visual impact, carnauba products are awesome choices. However, they're not going to be incredibly durable and may not be the right choice if you're about to endure a winter in Fargo, North Dakota. Synthetics are great options to make sure that you've got the protection you need as your base layer, and then can be supplemented with sprayable waxes that are incredibly easy to use and quick to apply. If you're looking to brighten up your paint surface and minimize some of the visible towel marks and leave behind a protectant, an all-in-one wax is going to be a great choice for you. All of these products are going to improve the look of your car, be easy to use, and give you expected durability relative to what they are composed of. If you still need more help choosing which wax is right for you, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage. Our next product. Great start. I mean, that's almost as bad as like me messing up my name. Hi, Nick Griot here. All right. Our next.